What's up, guys? Today we are playing this game, Animal Company. Okay, mine. Be mine.
I'm gonna kill somebody.
Yo, okay, everybody, how do I get out? Wait. Oh my god. It's okay. Okay, someone come down here and
Stop all mining activities. One of us died.
Above you.
Stop all mining activities.
Okay.
Well, why can't I grab you? I can't grab you.
Put me in
can't
there.
I grab you?
Someone put me in. Hello?
Alright, yeah, I'm doing it. I did it.
Yo, mine over here. Mine right here.
Everybody's getting in my way.
Okay, mine right here.
Back up.
Mine right here to make us a hole.
Back up.
Okay, we're good. Now you can start mining. Start mining.
Guys, it's coming down. It was coming
Guys,
down.
I can see above it if I just grab an ore like this. Now I can see. What the fuck?
Okay, just keep mining. Wow, come over here.
Look at it. Guys, if you grab this ore, then just put your body outward and I can see
Where'd you go? Hello?
There's like a place thing right here. I'm right here. Right here.
Get
Let's
up.
grab the ore.
Mine down.
Get up. Guys, grab the ore. Guys, grab this ore.
No, I won't.
I keep falling.
Yo, if I grab the ore, I can just peek out. And what the heck is this? Yo, grab this ore, and then stick yourself out. You want to see what's out there, bro. There's some weird stuff.
It's okay, I'm following. It's okay.
I'll free now.
It's okay, just keep mining. Mine right here. Alright, I'm safe.
Guys.
You guys can hear it.
Freak.
I hear it. We're close. Mine down.
Guys, over here. Guys, this way. And look out. It's that way. Okay,
This
that
way.
way.
Okay, no, wait. Come here. It's over here. He's saying it's over here.
Guys,
Look.
dig down like that. Dig down straight like that, okay?
Guys, dig over where the ore is. Dig over there. Yes.
Yeah, down. Alright, guys, I know, because I can see it. I have X-ray vision.
Yes. Yeah, because if you grab onto this thing, you can just see.
We're close.
Yeah.
Are we making it? Are we
So
close?
we gotta go over there.
Guys, I'm stuck.
Guys, mind this direction.
Someone kill
Mind
me.
that direction, alright? It's this
Right
way.
here.
It's this way. We saw it before X-ray
This
vision,
way.
because you can look out.
This way.
Help me. Someone kill me.
This way down.
This way.
Bob, kill me with the pickaxe.
This way down.
Kill me with the pickaxe,
That way
please.
down, okay? That
I'm
way.
stuck. I'm stuck.
After
My
we're
arm is
off,
stuck.
it's short going down.
Guys, hold
After
on.
we're off, it's short going down, alright?
Oh. Wait, stop. Okay,
Why did you just kill that man? Why did you just murder that man?
It's okay. It's because I was stuck on the ground, so. Wait. I'm still stuck. Revive me, please. Huh. I
got you.
Bro.
I got you, King. I got you.
Swing your arms like this.
I'm trying to. Hold on. Oh my goodness, something crazy is happening.